Hi, I'm Patty Post, founder and CEO of Checkable Medical. Sore throats is the #1 reason that parents bring school-aged children into the provider. It accounts for 2% of all visits into the clinic. At Checkable Medical, we look at this as a huge burden because 75% of the time, those visits are completely unnecessary because our children only have a virus that can only be treated with rest and hydration from home. After the time that it takes to take our child into the doctor, see the nurse, have the diagnosis, then see the provider, it's 3 to 4 hours until I have a diagnosis. As a medical device executive and mother of 3, I found this to be extremely painful. So I identified a gap in the marketplace and found that we needed over-the-counter approved diagnostics to bring into the home so parents and caregivers can diagnose strep throat, sore throat, and other infectious diseases from the comforts of home.
What we are doing is raising a Series A of $10 million.
To get us through the clinical trial process and be the first company with the FDA-approved over-the-counter labeling and a digital platform and telemedicine platform, all designed for the consumer. We have created an amazing team to take us through this process with healthcare experience across the continuum, from Marcom experience to software engineering to assay development to in vitro diagnostic clinical studies. Our advisory board has experience in Fortune 500 companies all across healthcare. Strep is just the beginning. There is an array of diagnostics that we can bring over the counter to allow consumers to make clinical, evidence-based decisions from the comforts of home. Checkable Medical, because healthcare begins at home.